Laikhidraba BSF Jawan Deepak Chinga Khamgi Thawai Yaudraba Hakchang Ngahaki Matungda Imphal Thunglaragani. Kurumzari Istv ki Manipuri Pau Meeting Tabi Ripasing Butaram Nokchari Hauzik Pau Sandokna Pizari Pakistan Army na Jammu and Kashmir region da Chatharakpa cross border attack ta Laikhidraba BSF constable Deepak Chinga Khamgi Thawai Yaudraba Hakchang ngasi Imphal Thunglaragani. Indigo flight ta Delhi dagi ngaihaki matungda Imphal airport ta thunglaragani mafam asida mahakpu state laikak na sinduna ikai khumnabu utpagi thauram pangthokani thauram asida governor Ajay Kumar Bhala army amasung police ki makok thongba official singsu saruk yagani laikhidraba Deepak ki imungda state government na Major Laishram Jotin Singh Asok Chakra scheme ki makhada lupa lakh tara ex gracia ki senfam piragani haina lauthokre Hanagi Chief Minister N. Biren ngasi Laikhidraba BSF Constable Deepak Chinga Khamge Yaripokta Laiba Yumda Chatuna Imung Manungi Awabada Saruk Yakre Mahaki Kongchada Sida local MLA T.S. Siam Kumar Su Loinaki N. Biren na LOC da Mathok Tauringaida Pakistan Kapsilakpa Nongmaina Panbadage Laikan Naram Laba Matung Laikhidraba Deepak Mathona Laiba Lanmi Amani Mahaki Maribak Ningba Amadi Mathona Matampumna Makta Ningsingduna Laihoragani Mahakna Manung Matam Chadana Laikhidabada Awaba Fangdokpa Loinana Imung Manungi Awabada Saruk Yari Mahaki Thawaina Mapugi Nakta Ingna Pothaba Oirashanu Haiki Nongmagi Oiba Food Safety Supervisor Course and Certificate Basic Manufacturing Training Program Ama Ngasi Chingmairong da Laiba Classic Grande ge Imperial Hall da Pangthokre Classic Group of Hotel Imphal Amadi sketch the art to create indoor Madhya Pradesh ani Napuna Kutsam Naraga Pangthokiba Thoromaduda Chief Medical Officer Imphal is Dr. Laurimbam Indra Food Safety Administration Imphal is ki Designated Officer Dr. L. Kripriya Lini Amadi Classic Grande ki Assistant Manager Ngangom Gopeshwar na Athoiba Mitung Lensing Oiki Chief Medical Officer Imphal is Dr. Laurimbam Indra na Chanabagi Polam Singda Ikoina Nungtigi Kaitel dagi Leiratuna Sem Saduna Pizagadoriba Sida Kari Jackson Thorang Sing Packet Kani Haiba Sigi Matangda Pangthokpa Training Program Amani Masida Chana Thaknaba Yoliba Tongan ba catering Toriba Singna Seasonariba Polam Sing Asipu Taru Tarana Thamnaba Haiba Si Maruiba Ama Oidi Kutsa Singna Hamdok Chamthokpa Taragadi Chamthoktaba Taragadi Hepatitis A Typhoid na Jingba Laina Sing Miyoibagi Hakchangda Changakpayai Hakchang Sokhandana Acha Thak Sing Chanabagi Tamak Kutsa Hambagi Step Ahum Sing Asi Aikoina Ngakna Chatkadabani Usopna Chingba Chaba Matamda Aikoina Kutsa Hamnaba Ising Karana Chamthoklaga Chabagi Hainabi Si Lairiba Asina Tungda Hakchangda Akaiba Laktuna Laina Makal Sing Nahalakpayai Maramasina Afava Ising Sinabagi Hainabi Thamlabadi Hakchang Fana Laibada Mateng Kaya Pibangamgani Haiki
Food Safety Supervisor Course Basic Catering Level 1 Haidana Hai Sigi program asi akhoi sketch the art to create indoor Madhya Pradesh ki in collaboration with the Classic Group of Hotels Manipur Imphal Group ani sinna taraga akhoi program ase pangthokpa ngamjabani masigi program ase da basic oiba idea di akhoina chana nambagi potlam sing Semba matamda, thongba matamda, aduga mingonda pizaba matamda kari care logadage habagi waphamduni. Masigi training sita akhoi maruina catering service bibiriba restaurant sing adagi akhoi usoba sopta keno tawbiriba catering tawbiriba group sing se sida khanghan janingba idea sing duding asigi training sita mayamda thamjari se
Lagliba Mege Kungamathoi Fauba Chathagadaba Heritage Convent ke Summer Camp Ngasidagi Lamsangi Haurang Sabal de Leiba Heritage Convent Campus ta Hokre Camp adu da Saruk Yakiba Mahirui Singna Tours Pudun Laklaga Maira Chukalaba Matungda School gi Firal Chinkhatke Thoromadu Mari Lenana Heritage Convent ke Coordinator Thaunauzam Ibungomachana Mahiroi Ayamba Summer Vacation Manungda Mobile da Ngauduna Leire Haina Complaint Lakpadagi Haukiba Chahidagi Hauduna Ahanba Oina Summer Camp Haurakibane Mamang Chahida Summer Camp Haukibadagi Winter Camp Supang Thoke Handaki Asina Summer Camp ki Oina Anirak Shubane Vacation Camp ki Oina di Ahumlak Subane Camp Manungda Tongan ba Outdoor Masana Football Volleyball Basketball na Chingba Pangthokani Indoor Games amadi Cultural Program kaya Supang Thoktuna Mahirui Sing Mobile Addict chu Oihandana Bahonagani Camp Asida Mahiroi Chatret Hena Saruk Yagani Haiki
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯚꯦꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ educational ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ recreational ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ sports activities ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ common complaint ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯃꯣꯕꯥꯏꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯕꯥꯏꯜ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯕꯥꯏꯜꯁꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯟꯊꯍꯟꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ cultural activities mayam ama jagoi isai sigum mayam se kitang yokhat pa oina angang sing sida tambisi na dumaina kem se hawdokhibani
State asida thokhiba thokhan loidaba hatna sunabagi fibam ase amuk hanna thoktanaba amadi ngasi mak thokliba irang asisu tung koina wakhainaba laikhai tana waroshinama puraknabagi khongjangda jangsiliba Peace Committee Kanglaipak Manipur gi thausil thorom kudingmakta irei chapumnamakna mateng pangbiyu haina Committee Seg Advisor RK Sanayaimana appeal tawrakli Peace Committee Kanglaipak Manipur gi maridak subama pokumon thorom galoinana irang asigi haurakfam amasu oriba kumbi esigi Fogokchau ikhai awang da leiriba ibudau thangjingi Harau mathoi tambagi ngasi lairoi numita committee gi maru oiba thopuba singyauna lai kuruma lakpada ningthemcha Sanayaimana wafam asi phongdokhibani committee gi advisor ningthemcha Sanayaimana makha taraduna Peace Committee na imalaiba ki damak thawai katkhaba athoba singi damak ningsing yumbi yungduna tungi mirol da ningsing handuna thamlamnaba chatharakliba asida Nambol gi maibam lotpa chingda hauzik yamna kanna semgat sagatli Ziribam da yamna tamthiba thokdokta angang macha yauna miyoi taruk laikidaba adugi khubam lendasu ningsing yumbi sananaba thawrang tawre haikhe ningthemcha Sanayaimana makha taraduna handak baragasi lanjena duna relief camp sing de leiriba singna masa gi mayumda hanjinba yadana leiriba sida nongmai makhol khajiktang lepliba sida isai nongmai thabal chongba harau kumhai kaya toksilakpa asi laikhidraba thawai mayam adu kauthokibagum tawi masigumba asi aikhoi khudingmakna khanthaminaba changi haikhe ngasigi thorom adu da Peace Committee Kanglaipak Manipur gi President Rajesh Maitei Ichamgi Hanagi Founder President Nongthongbam Rajendro amade committee gi miyoi kayasu saruk yakhe
Maraksi Lan review Malaktana Lanjena relief camp to Lego Mayama, hissing Margi Mayum and call Hanzimangam Dalang Shi Hall Lady. Sumatan from face the Nongway Makol Hesting left you that way Harau Kume Lagungi like Harau Nataba, Habu Somba, the Isai no my Tawashum Harau Kume, Dr. Lacose, a quay Lady Drawa cut cover toy maya, Adu. Kokki film man by film story must young like tinning any at Harau Kuni Monga Tabal Somba Adagi say no my tower say must see Matunga sooner the film sooner the oiri must see the William Harris saying they could hang the seven in the mind of nations anyway.
Paugimaratana break amalozering
National Forensic Sciences University Manipur campus ta Professional Diploma in Crime Scene Management amasung Cybercrime Investigation Cyber Security ki admission hauzare. Ako pamarol gidamak 9233591616 ta contact tawirao.
Honglagli punsi ki lambi sida aray ba chaba yaba makai sasinari. Adone hidak langthak kayama chadaba yarakte sasin liba singduna adom gi liver da kayam sokhali khangbibra. Liver nabu soklaba chaning thakning ba phawdaba puk nungai taba khong hamba nungai raktaba amadi kuchu comment senghalakti. Kuding magsibu ngakthok ke hairabadi Jolip 100% natural syrup amadi capsule.
Jolip 100% natural syrup and capsule.
Power Chemistry, NEET, Kashampat Playmajanlekai Lane 3, different from others. Admission open for NEET Foundation course for NEET UG 2026. Limited seats, first come, first serve. Class commencing from 29th May 2025. Course duration 8 months. Please contact 700-5729458.
In 2024, Comet School produced first position holder. With first position.
My name is Shia Karakam and I secured first position to person exam 2025.
With 11 position holders. And 27 subject toppers.
Comet School guidance, moral support.
Behind this success is a powerful shift. Digital smart learning.
The school has provided advanced digital facilities from smart classes to interactive panels. The tools have made learning more effective.
Led by highly advanced faculty, our students don't just study, they understand, apply, and excel.
Caesar Hospitals na keyhole surgery pangthorakpa chahi kungamapan mapung pharakpa kumonga mari leinana me tha manungda keyhole surgery da 10% mari leinaba investigation singda 15% amasung general ward bed charges da 20% discount phangbigani akupa marol pizariba mobile number natraga Caesar Hospitals tagi phangbigani.
Hi friends, adom na gari thau hapam matam dadi afaba thau hamna bone. Adom gi khwaidagi maru ariba liver gi damukta di kari section thorang lobiri. Novocam Health Care gi original Lipsa 5G na adom gi liver buswan badai ngak thon. Liver gi mapangang kangkalan badana tana hakchang pumbagi energy hengalali chaba tumali acidity hantan. Sizinabiyo original Lipsa 5G.
Novocam Healthcare na sajaba original Lipsep 5G ahum lobada coffee cup ama free da hapchari.
Matamgi nungsit nungsa amadi ayinga sana maram moiraga lok tungba amadi khubana singba tatana thohalli pumna maksibu khudakta phanba ngamlaba Capidon cup syrup 100% herbal product ni lok khubada natana nakmahi chelaba amadi khangnaw mareng chatlaga lok kangkhu khuraba Capidon cup syrup thakpiu Capidon cup syrup.
Breaking matungda makataba pau India pumbagi oina National Federation of India gi All India Program of Action gi oina nupi singda akia kang pokhan ganu haiba wakat khongjang ama All Manipur nupi marup na sinduna ngarang kameng da chathakre lobasagi president Maishnam Shakhina luchingduna chathakiba khongjang aduda aikhoi ingtapa pami lan pamde wakhal leita dabadagi aikhoi ningtamba pami haina demand tauke. Cyber security, cyber law and combating cyber harassment haiba sida nongmagi oiba awareness ama Maharaja Bodhachandra College ta pangthokre Tharomasida MP Dr. Angomcha Bimola Koizam Additional Member Secretary MASLSA Binesuri Maiba Mamadi College asagi Principal Dr. Vavananda Su Sarugyakhi Technical Session da Resource Person Kayana Wangangkhi. Ipak Films Production Manipur gi banner makhada Jaidip Memorial Foundation Imphal present tauba Manipuri feature film Yahu Thengba Khoimuna National Mari International Film Festival kaya da award kaya fanglaklaba film asigi tongan ba award sing Comex Cinema Kakwa gi auditorium da harau tayamna okpaga loinana film asigi akhanaba miyam da screening ama tawkhre Thoramadu da Manipuri film gi saknairaba actor Kangabam Tomba Yengkhom Roma amadi film asigi story writer amadi producer Dr. R.K. Nayan Sanana punna President member Singoina Sarugyakhi Ningsing Bayabadi film asi chahi asigi January Mapanda Manipur State Film Development Society Imphal gi auditorium da official oina release tawkhibani Film Education and Welfare Foundation Aurangabad Maharashtra na sinkiba manga suba Reels International Film Festival da Best Social Film Best Producer amadi Best Male Director gi award fangkhi loinana Bangladesh ta pangthokhiba taruk shuba Crown International Film Festival 2025 da Best Feature Film, Best Story, Best Director of the Year 2025 amadi Best Actor takhi. Mumbai da pangthokhiba Bharat Independent Cinema Film Festival 2025 da Best Feature Film, Best Director, Best Actress, Best Supporting Actor Female amadi Best Playback Singer Male tarakhi amadi Indian Filmmakers Association Hyderabad na sinkhiba International Film Festival of Telangana na chingba tungan festival singdasu manakaya fangki hairi. Losilak pada maruiba pau amukahna. Laikidraba BSF Jawan Deepak Chinga Khamgi Thawai Yaudraba Hakchang Ngehaki Matungda Imphal da Thunglaragani. Hauzik Fawbi Oina di Pm-Istv na Sandukchaba Manipuri pau matang sa Noshinjari. Medeng tabi ki basing bumukahna. Kurumjari.